So our next speaker is Paul Hickson.
Hi, everyone. My research group is involved in a number of instrumentation projects that I'll just briefly describe. We'll start in the top center and of the slide and go around counterclockwise. So the Gemini multi-object infrared spectrograph is a novel instrument that's being developed that will allow you to obtain a spectrum for every spatially resolved element in the image of a distant galaxy, as this picture suggests. That's really neat because it enables you to find out where stars are forming, how the different parts of the galaxy are moving with respect to each other, whether it's colliding and merging with another galaxy, and basically follow the evolution and growth of galaxies over almost all of cosmic time. So my part in this is to design the calibration system for the instrument. It's expected that it'll begin operating probably on the Gemini 8-meter telescope on Mauna Kea in about 5 years. We're also involved in the search and for the best telescope sites on Earth, the best possible places to put large telescopes. And so that's taken us to Tibet. You can see there's one of our instruments that is set up at 5,100 meters on a mountaintop and is measuring atmospheric turbulence to determine how clear and sharp the images would be if a telescope were located there. We're building a similar instrument to be installed at Dome A in Antarctica, which you see lower down there. We're also working with colleagues in Europe at the European Southern Observatory and University of Mainz and elsewhere to further develop the technology for laser guide stars. So one uses a powerful laser to illuminate sodium atoms in the Earth's mesosphere. And they glow, and then you use the light from that to determine the amount of turbulence and the distortion that is introduced on the wavefront due to the atmosphere so that it can be corrected by adaptive optics. So the work that we're doing is both theoretical and experimental. And the experimental work is being done from La Palma in the Canary Islands. I'm also working with Aaron Bowley and Harvey Richer to upgrade UBC's robotic telescope in Chile to a bigger and better telescope. And that will be happening as soon as the pandemic permits us. And finally, I'm involved in a project to build and operate a 4-meter liquid mirror telescope in the Himalayas of India. That telescope is ready now, and it's ready for commissioning. All we need is to be able to travel to India to get this thing started. So if you're interested in these things, just send me an email.